How to get XP fast and battle bricks. The first things first is of course pull up your web browser if you haven't downloaded Roblox yet, then head directly to roblox.com and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now once you're here, just look for the battle bricks experience and then just head or just start the game immediately. Now, there is actually no trick for you to be able to gain XP fast with this game. All you have to do is just to play along the game till you unlock certain kinds of bricks or characters right here. Now, the bricks that accumulates fast XPs are like the motorbike, block, the Psy, and the chairman. So you just have to keep on playing the game till you unlock those bricks or characters for you to be able to use those high or fast accumulative bricks. So what you want to do is just before you hit on battle, you should choose on either of these options above, which is the battle begins, building a wall, sword fight, and then slinging shots. So this is going to be the field for you to be able to discover more bricks and till you find the motorbike bricks. So that's it. Those are the things that you can do for you to be able to get XP fast in battle bricks.